Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode which is 1528 shuffle string. So here is given a string S which is quote lead and there is given an index. Okay, indices. So here is given an indices 4, 5, 6, 7. So you just have to put these all indices means 0 at the 0th position you have to put the L, and at the first position you have to put the E, as just given a above example here, so you can go through it. And after this you just have to return the LeetCode. Okay, means after doing this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 you have to return the actual string. Okay, so let's run this code. Let's write the code string result which is same as S. Okay, I create a string result which is same as S and I will traverse through this S. Int I equals to 0, I less than S dot size and I plus plus result. I will modify the result string result of in indices of I is equals to S of I, and after this you just have to return the result. Okay, it will rewrite the value. Let's run this code, whether it is run properly or not. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.